Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I'd like us to start off our analysis and us to start off with Euro USD. So we have it already on our screen, as you can see. So yesterday we were looking for a sell on this chart. We were looking for sell positions on lesser time frames, but for some reasons the price did not go downwards as we expected it. Instead, the price pulled back upwards. Just a second. So we have our level here, we have our chart here, we have a very good support level here. We basically don't expect the price to break and close below this level. So if that should happen, that is, if the price should break and close below this point, that will be a good sign that we may see the price continue to the lower side. So if the price descends, and closes below this point, it will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. We do expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this point here. So on this chart, technically this is a good place to look for a buy from. This is a very good place I want us to be looking for a buy from. We do expect that the buyers will push us upwards up to this target here, up to that target. The next target is this one here. So the idea is to look for a buy position within these two lines, expecting that the buyers will push us back upwards up to this target. If this is broken, we expect the price to continue upwards up to the next level, which is this one here. My next chart is Brent oil. So with Brent oil, so far we have a very good support. We have a very good resistance here. We have a very good support here. We do expect that now that the price is heading to the upper side, the price may likely continue upwards up to somewhere within along this trend line, then bounce off from it before heading back to the lower side, back towards this trend line here. So if you're on this chart, as we're talking right now, this should be the best place to look for a sell from. We expect that the sellers may sell off from around this point back towards this trend line here. The other chart is the natural gas. This is a sell. So if you check yesterday's webinar, we actually are looking for a sell on the natural gas. We are looking for a long-term sell. We have a very good support here. We have a very good support here. So should the price break and close below this zone, that will be a good sign that now we are continuing to the lower side. So if you're on this chart right now as you're talking, you should be expecting a possible break and a close below these two lines before we can look for a long-term sell position. My next chart is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we are having a very good trend line. So as it is right now, we have a very good support here, have a very good support level there. So as long as the price is held above these two lines, that should act as a good support and a very good place to look for a buy from. We do expect that the buyers will push price upwards towards this trend line here. So if you're on this chart, keep looking for buy orders, expecting the price to continue upwards up to somewhere along this trend line here. My next chart is Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin so far, the price is within a range So we have a range there. We have a very good resistance, we have a very good support. So if the price should descend and close below this line, that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the right side. In case the price breaks and closes above this line, that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the upside. So the idea here is to look for a buy position along this trend line or a sell position along the upper trend line. My next chart is GBP USD. So it looks like the price in this case is headed to the upper side. So if the price ascends upwards, and closes above this line, that will be a good sign that we are now extending upwards up to this level here. If this level is broken, then we expect the price to continue much higher. So if the price ascends above this point, we expect it to continue upwards and even close beyond this line here. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. Nothing much appears to be happening here. We have a very good support level here. This could act as a good place to look for a buy from. We had a resistance, there's a break. Now we have a support, we expect the same place to be a support in the future. So if the price comes towards this level but does not break below it, it will act as a good place to look for a buy from. We will be expecting that the buyers will push price upwards with the first target there. The next target is this one. So you'll pick a buy with the first target here, the next target is this one. We also have another level here, and we also have another level here. So those are the few levels we're focusing on this chart. If the price should touch any of those levels, then you're going to be focused on a trade. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of this analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.